Gas fryers are essential in a wide variety of commercial kitchens. That's why boiling them out on a weekly basis is crucial for peak operation. We'll show you how to properly boil out your fryer. Let's get started. Start by turning off the fryer. Then, filter out the oil by installing the drain pipe and opening the drain valve. Remember to let the fryer cool down before proceeding. Remove the baskets, tank rack, and hanger. Make sure to wear protective gloves in case the items are still hot. Once draining is complete and the fryer is cool, close the drain valve. Add water to the tank. Make sure you reach the fill line marked inside the tank. Next, turn the fryer on and enter boil out mode. This millivolt model requires you to set the thermostat to a low temperature. Some models have a computer that automatically enters this mode when water is added to the tank. Once the water reaches a simmer, add OEM-approved cleaner to the tank. Check the label or your operator's manual for the proper ratio. After a minute or two of letting the cleaner and water simmer, turn the fryer off. Give the solution between 15 and 30 minutes to soak. After letting the solution soak, use a nylon brush to scrub the tank. Make sure to scrub carefully on the heating tubes and sidewalls to remove stuck-on grease or sediment. Once you're done scrubbing, turn the drain valve on and drain your cleaning solution. You can drain this into an approved floor drain, metal container, or high heat resistant bucket. Remove any leftover sediment in the fryer tank. Try to get into the area around the heating tubes. Next, add fresh water to the tank and drain. Once the water drains, use a towel to dry the interior surfaces of the tank. Make sure to remove all water to avoid accidental contact with fresh oil. Before you're done, make sure to reinstall your basket assembly and rack. Then, close the drain valve and add the appropriate amount of oil to the fryer. Well, that's how you do it. For more preventative maintenance tips, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit partstown.com.